Oh yeah, bro, we're um we're in a bit of situation.
What?
Our fridge just not working.
Our fridge just what?
Have you checked the airflow restriction? How am I supposed to know that?
That's alright. Because I'm a qualified refrigerator mechanic.
You're not.
I am.
You're not a qualified refrigerator mechanic.
I am a qualified refrigerator mechanic.
Nikki, you're 17.
I was a child prodigy.
You shit in the bed until you're 11.
That's a family secret.
You're not a qualified refrigerator mechanic.
I'm a qualified refrigerator mechanic.
You're not.
For fuck's sake, just shut your mouth, you moist suck of shit.
Nikki, what do you think you're going to do?
Okay. Here's the problem.
You have not identified the problem.
The cylinder head has become disconnected from the exhaust valve, causing the drivetrain to overdrive the transmission.
Nikki, you're literally just saying a bunch of words in a row.
On a few shots, push the lubrication to and faster feel injected.
I know for a fact that those words in that order means nothing.
Here's to the stinker with the accelerator pot, with your navel room for the crankshaft pulley to access the grease feeding.
Nikki, you're literally just saying things. Is that an electric drill? That sound doesn't even belong there. What the fuck is going on? Are you sawing wood?
Alright? Finished.
What?
Make 'em whistle like a missile. Bomb, bomb.